Yeah.
Kwa majina ni Celestine Wafula.
My name is Celestine Wafula, and I am thrilled about this project. This water source has brought a significant change in our community, which was a time-consuming and risky task, especially for women and children. We had to cross a busy road, put ourselves in danger of getting hit by vehicles. This project has brought us closer to a clean and safe water source, which is a blessing to us. Now that the water source is located by the road, passers-by, including school-going children, can easily access clean and safe water, which is essential for their hydration and well-being. The water source has also brought us an opportunity to practice proper hygiene and sanitation, which is crucial for our health. I can now wash my clothes without having to worry about running out of water, and my children have more time to study since they no longer have to accompany me to fetch water from a stream. We are grateful to whoever donated this project to us and made our lives easier. This project has been a game changer for us, and we hope that more people will come forward to help us with our other needs.
My names are Rosemary Nasimiyu Sakwa. I am very happy about this shallow well from the Al-Khair Foundation. I used to struggle a lot, walking long distances, then crossing the road, which was very difficult. Coming back from the river with a 20-liter jerrycan on the head. With too many cars on the road, you get tired of standing. I am excited because the water is now at our doorstep. I don't have to carry big jerrycans again. I just take a jug and get the water, which is just outside my house. My family can eat with clean utensils because of clean water. The time I used to fetch water from the river is now utilized for other essential things. Unlike before, we can now take a shower every day. We used to take a shower when enough water was available. I used to measure the water for every use in the house. I would measure water for showering for my children. I would also measure for animals, but now everyone can use water with all the freedom. Even the animals are happy.
Ninatumia maji kwa wingi. Ng'ombe zinasikia raha.
My name is Florence Nyongesa. You can imagine at my age, walking with a 20-liter jerrycan on my head for a very long distance. Al-Khair Foundation has done us a big favor by sinking this shallow well here. We are delighted and thank God for this project. May God increase your provision and give you a long life. We don't use this water alone. We invite everyone in need to come and use it. If the birds could talk, they will say thank you to the person who donated this project to us.